Have you ever wondered the daily routine of someone that has a thriving Microlocs? If you have, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my daily routine for a thriving, luscious, and healthy Microlocs. So now I know I look a bit crazy, but trust me, it's because I'm doing this video for you. So don't forget to stick by, subscribe to the channel, and let us jump right into the video. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jennifer here from Her Crown. You're so welcome. The way your hair looks on a daily is dependent on your morning and night routine. So right now I'm going to be showing you all my morning routines. I wake up like this and I basically would show you what I do to prepare my hair for the day. So I would say that the morning routine is pretty simple because all you have to do is literally unravel your hair, fluff, massage it to get that blood circulating around your scalp, and you're ready to go. Where the work really is in the night routine. So in the very next section of this video, I'm going to be showing you what my night routine looks like to be able to help my hair to grow really healthy and really lush, just like the way I'm looking right now. Like literally, right now I'm up and I'm ready to go. Like literally there's nothing stopping me, and that will be because of the back work that I do in the night routine. So stay tuned for that. It's evening now. I'm done with all my chores for the day and I am ready to start my night routine, in the sense of I need to do my hair and I need to have my bath. So I start with my hair, and this is my night routine every single night. So as you can see, this was a really nice braid out, right? It's really cool, it's really nice. However, I'm not so obsessed with trying to maintain the curls. In fact, I like it the way it is, and I don't mind if it becomes a bit looser tomorrow. So it depends on how I want to look the next day. If I want it to be really tight and coily like this, I may just braid it back, right? But I don't really care for that because I think that this was a good enough look, and tomorrow I can just add a little bit of variation to my look. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Woo, the wind is blowing. Guys, I literally was filming this video and I just realized that it wasn't filming. Okay, so we are not going to be deterred because the whole point of this video is to film it. So the first thing I do every single night is to lightly mist my hair. Guys, my mist is ugly. My spray is ugly, but we're just going to do the work. So when I mean lightly, I actually mean lightly, because the whole aim here is not to make the hair wet, right? It's just to detangle. So that is the next thing I do. So after lightly misting my hair, I always detangle the hair. And the reason for this is that I don't want my locks marrying together at the roots or even together or forming any knots. So this is a very good opportunity to just loosen it up, detangle it, and make sure that it maintains its individualism, its individual self, or it just maintains its individualism. I don't even know the English, but basically that's the whole point, right? And so the very next step is to now decide how I want to look the very next day, because that will determine how I'll put my hair. So if I want my hair the very next day to be really tight and coily, just like you saw in the beginning of this video, I would braid it back. However, if I want it to be loosely stretched and I don't really care for the pattern, I'll pack it. If I want it to have a different pattern, I may go for a different kind of stretching style. Like I may do two cornrows. It just depends on how I'm feeling the next day and the style I have planned to have the next day. So now the very next day, I'm not going to be going out with my hair. Like my hair is just going to be cool. I may go for an errand here and there, but there's no place I'm going to. So I'm going to be packing my hair with my satin scrunchie. The way I pack my hair depends on how I sleep. So I sleep on my side, either of the sides. So because I sleep on my side, literally I'm going to pack my hair on the back. So if you sleep with your back, you know that it's going to be uncomfortable to pack your hair in the back. So I literally would just pack the hair loosely, like loose enough that you don't have a headache, but not so loose that the scrunchie would unravel. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I just put it in a low bun. Now the very next thing to do is to throw on a bonnet, but I'm not one of those bonnet or scarf girlies. I'm so sorry, guys, but the truth is I have headaches when I have those things. Like, and anyway, with all the discomfort, even when I try, I always wake up with the scarf like 10 feet away from me. So to me, there's no point. So the alternative I found that works really well is my pillowcase. And first of all, check if this thing is because I don't want to be traumatized and finish talking and then it's not working again. All right, so this is my pillowcase. Yes, so my pillowcase is satin, like high quality satin material. So if you have the same issues that I had with bonnets, the fact that it falls off or the fact that it gives you a headache, you definitely want to invest in some of this. I have six satin pillowcases. So even though the rest of the house is using their normal pillowcase, I must have my satin pillowcase. This is the way I've been able to prevent lint from coming onto my hair. And this is where I've been able to prevent headache or waking up and seeing your hair on the cotton pillowcase because there was no satin pillowcase. So even if you don't mind scarves, I think this is still a really good investment because it will prevent your scarf, like that whole issue with your scarf falling off at night and your hair being on a cotton pillowcase. So, but like if you are really sure of yourself with your scarf, you know that it never moves, then do you, my love, do you, my boo. Alrighty, so that's really it, guys. This is how simple it is. Like I said, it just depends on how I want to look. So because I'm not going anywhere tomorrow, I'm just packing it. But if I was going somewhere, trust me, I'll be braiding it right now. And then I do this every night. It doesn't take 5 minutes. Trust me. It like be at most 10 minutes, and that's if I'm really doing something intricate, like I'm actually braiding the hair and all that. So I hope this was self-explanatory. I hope it was easy to understand, and I hope you'll be implementing it in your daily lock routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer all your questions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.